Here's the key to macrobiotics. The foundation, obviously, is the food. So if you think of your plate as a peace sign, just divide it into thirds. Have 1/3 legume, which is a bean, 1/3 grain, which is like rice, and then 1/3 vegetable. That is a complete protein, and it balances your system to have optimal health. The legume, so that's any kind of bean. Lentil, a black bean, a pinto bean, a white bean. If you don't really like beans, try to go with the milder tasting ones, and those are usually the white beans. And make sure that you cook them all the way. And here's how you cook them. Now let's talk about grain. The most popular grain in macrobiotics is brown rice. It is one of the most healing foods on the planet, and it is so good for you on many, many different levels. It's got high mineral content, vitamins, it helps with fiber, it helps detoxify your entire system. It's good for your heart, your circulatory system. The benefits are endless. It's also high in protein and also your legumes. You can try a different kind of rice. A lot of people like wild rice. There's black rice, there's jasmine brown rice. You can also try quinoa. Quinoa is more of a seed, but still a lot of people eat it abundantly like rice. So the last thing, what's your favorite vegetable? And maybe it's just a cucumber. You actually can saute cucumber slices and a little bit of sesame oil, not a lot, and then you could put some sesame seeds on top, saute it with some garlic. Get creative. Kale is very popular. You can steam it, roast it, saute it. Use different herbs and spices like rosemary, thyme, lemongrass, cumin. If you want to just start out plain and just season it with a little bit of salt, try that. Explore how these foods taste for you. Now, of course, that includes, a little bit of fruit on the side. You could have seaweed dishes. That is the minimal thing that you have on your plate. What our intestines are doing is weeding out all of those nutrients, and then our colon is very long. So what happens when our digestive system uses up the nutrients, the rest is fiber, the rest is toxins that is taken out, removed from your body. And with that fiber, it helps go through your intestinal tract, your colon, your system, so that it's no longer stuck. In order to keep everything flowing, that is the optimal plate. So take action, have fun with it, and remember, just take it step by step, so then eventually it becomes a habit. If you want a healthy body and you don't want to live in illness, sickness, or disease, and even prevent it, this is what we do.